Wow. Hey.
We'll go through again now.
Yes.
This has taken a couple of minutes off.
Yeah, take the skin off, as we call it. That's something else.
The inside you want to get.
Yeah.
You want to get that inside bit. all the components working together, you have to follow the beam.
Yeah.